is the channel banner and why is it needed? How does a banner affect your channel? How to create banner? What elements should be on it? Where should you place a logo? Well, today we're gonna go through this. Today, YouTube has really become an indispensable instrument in life, and to stand out among the numerous YouTube channels, your channel must really have an eye-catching appearance. You must do a few things to make sure your channel look more professional. Let's talk about banner and a logo. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click notification button. A channel banner is a big image on top of your YouTube channel. This is the first image a viewer sees, so it's important to have an eye-catching banner. YouTube banner informs viewers about your content topic. The banner should be speaking for itself. If the banner says, "We are building the most beautiful houses," then in the video, you should talk about constructions, no cats or puppies. Your banner image must meet the following criteria. Minimum dimension for upload with an aspect ratio. At the minimum dimension, the safe area for text and logos. Larger images might get cropped on certain views or devices, and file size. In the description below, I will attach a link to a template that can be used to make a banner. What can you add to your banner? You can create an minimalistic banner or upload an image with information. It's up to you. Here's some options that you can add. Your photo, links to other social media networks, video publishing schedule, for example, new video every Wednesday, call to action, subscribe to the channel, follow the link, call me, just do something right now. Also your contact, email, phone number, and of course, channel topic. For example, online school, travel agency, life in Africa, wherever you want. And for companies also, you can add your logo. Avoid banners with too many elements. It's gonna be too confusing for viewers. Channel logo. Nothing complicated about it. What do you want as a logo of your channel? Maybe your photo. What do you look like on this photo? Are you smiling? Or perhaps a channel logo is the logo of your company or project. This will help you to increase a brand awareness. In settings, you can specify when the logo will be shown in the video. You have three options. End of the video watermark will show for the last 15 seconds of the video, custom start time. The video watermark will begin showing at the time you choose, or entire video. The video watermark will show through all the video. Your video watermark must meet the following criteria. Minimum size, it's supposed to be square image, and the file size. The channel watermark is available in landscape views on computers and mobile devices. Not clickable on mobiles though. You can order a banner and a channel logo from a specialist, or you can do it by yourself and show some creativity. Well, today we discussed the most important things about banners and logos for your channel. With all the knowledge that you got today, I think you should get to work. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!